We're learning to the Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Maseches Kidushin, Perek Daled, Mishna Aleph. Asara Yuchsin Olu mi Bavel. There were 10 categories of people that Ezra was mafresh the psulim when they were in Bavel, and he brought them up so that they shouldn't get mixed up with other miyuchis families. And the 10 categories are Kayani, Levi, Yisraelim, so that's 3. Chalali, which is 4. Geirei and Charurei, which is Charurei is Eved Canaan, and that became Meshucher, so that's 5 and 6. Mamzeri Nisini is 7 and 8, a Mamzer and a Nasan. And 9 and 10 is Shtuki Va'asufi, which the next Mishnah will explain what they are. So on these 10 categories, there's 3 halachas. The first one is that Kahane Levi Yisraeli Mutar and Levi Zebezeh. Kahanim Levi and Yisraelim could each marry each other. The second halacha is Levi Yisrael Chaloli Geiri Charurei are Mutar and Levi Zebezeh. So that's from number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 could marry each other. But over here, Kayanim are not allowed to marry Gieritz and a Meshuchreris because they're Becheska Zaina, and Kayin can't marry a Chalala because that's a Lav. And the third halacha is Gerei V'Charurei Mamzeri Nisine Shtuke Va'asufe, which is the categories of 5 through 10, is Kula Mutarin Lavi Zebezeh. They're allowed to marry each other. The Gemara explains that the fact that a ger can marry a mamzer is only if you hold Ka'al Gerim Loi Ikri Kahal. But if you hold a Tana that holds Ka'al Gerim Ikri Kahal, then they would not be allowed to marry mamzerim. Shtuki and Asufi, even though there's a tzad that they're Yisraelim Gemurim, Shtuki, we'll see in the Asufi, we don't know who the parents are, so it could be that the Yisraelim Gemurim still allowed to marry a mamzer because they have the halacha of a Safik mamzer, and there's only a Isser from a mamzer to marry Kahal Vadai, but Kahal Safik, which is Asufi and Shtuki, they're allowed to marry. Mishnah Beis, Elu Heim Shtuki, what is a Shtuki? Kol Shehu Makir is Imoy Ve'ina Makir is Aviv. You know who the mother is, but not the father. And the Gemara explains that midaraisa they're mutter b'kol, but midarabanan it's also because we're afraid, and together with Maila Asab Yuchsin, we're afraid that someone's going to wind up marrying his sister because he doesn't know who the mother is, so possibly he doesn't know who the father is, so possibly they share the same father. And Asufi is kol shenesef min hashuk ve'ina makar loy esav v'loyasim, he doesn't recognize not his father and not his mother. Abishol hayikari l'shtuki beduki. Abishol called the shtuki beduki because he held that beduki means that you could be boidek the mother, and if the mother says that she was with a kasher, the kasher navalti, then the child is going to be kasher.